Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today's quick video is to help those who have a boot or trunk lid that's limp. You may think that this is something that's very hard to fix, and you may go and get a quote from the dealership or from a mechanic shop, and what you're going to find is that you're going to get ripped off. All you need to do is order the replacement gas struts, or also called gas springs, from online stores like rockauto.com, and then replace them yourself. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, paper towels, and somebody to hold the trunk up as you replace the struts. As you can see in this picture, this is one of the new struts that I ordered. On each end there is a clip that you can slide a screwdriver into in order for you to remove the old strut. What you want to do is be careful as you're putting the screwdriver into the clip. You don't want to jab the screwdriver accidentally into any part of the bodywork, so thereby damaging the paint. Now, you don't need to remove the clip itself. All you need to do is raise the clip. Once that happens, just pop the end off the ball joint. Now that you've removed the old struts, make sure to clean the ball joints of the old grease. And the new struts themselves will have new grease in them already, so no need to buy any grease. The easiest part is just to pop the new struts back on, like so. Lastly, make sure that everything is secure. Do the same thing on the other side. That's it for $45, 20 minutes. And there you have it, good as new. And now you know.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.